still trying to get on the red carpet, but I think I'm almost done with that idea now. This is quite a nice spot actually. Into the shops around Cagnes Sur Mer, and I just bought 3 bikinis out of Calzedonia. I'm their favourite customer. Just waiting on my friends because they're in Primark just now, and I don't really care for Primark. I thought I'd just take a little wander. I'd go under that tree because it looked quite nice. Sur Mer, spelled C-A-G-N-E-S S-U-M-E-R, Cagnes Sur Mer. I think I see one of my friends now, so I will go out along and try and grab them, and then we'll just get a lift back to Nice. I see them. I see them now. I hope you're enjoying the videos. One of my friends now. Did you buy anything? Oh, no. Primark. Look. Sephora, Sephora. Well, I couldn't decide, then you have to just buy both. I think that's always the way with me. I can't just come away with one. Anyway, I love Sephora. I'm quite delighted with the product. I'll try it on now. Sephora, it's called Huda Beauty. It's a liquid matte, so different for me, a liquid matte. Usually I like the gloss. Try it. Well, I hope that's okay. Might not even be put on right, but just in case I don't like the matte, then I've got myself a glossy one as well. The pinks and the reds are my colours. It's getting very hot in these now. It's actually about 18, which is quite different for what it's been like in the last few days. We've had really bad rain over the weekend. That's why I've not been on quite so much. It was torrential rain on Sunday and Monday. There's not really much that we could do on Sunday and Monday other than just watch films and chat, stay with friends and have a few drinks and eat lots and lots of food, which it's going to have to, the pounds are going to have to come off when I get back home because it's absolutely crazy. There's just far too much that you eat in France. Everything is just absolutely delicious. So I will enjoy my coffee just now, and I will see you down at the beach because I'm going to go down to the beach, and then after that I'm going to Fréjus, I think that's the way you pronounce it, and I'm going to meet Garance, Thierry and their lovely family. So I will keep you posted, and remember guys to subscribe to the channel, and do remember to hit that notifications, hit the bell so that you get all the notifications. That will just keep you up to date with all the mad stuff that I'm doing right now. So I'll see you soon. Actually, I can see the lip gloss in the mirror now that I've taken the shades off. It's actually alright, quite enjoy it. I'll see you soon. Coffee done. The coffee is so beautiful. I'm loving it. I was actually tempted to have something to eat there, but I've been eating that much since I've been here that I'm getting used to just eating all the time. I need to stop, or else I'm going to be like absolutely huge, and the bikinis that I've just bought are not going to fit. So I'll be quite excited to wear these bikinis as long as I'm going to fit them. Tram behind, look. I love the trees here. Look, go on. And the shape of the trees as well are just so beautiful. Okay, so now we're going down to the beach. It's all perfectly well signed. It's easy to get around here in Nice. I love all the names of the streets as well. I'm sure you will agree that this is quite a special place, isn't it? And you should see it at night time as well. Nice is probably one of the best places for going out. It sounds like I've been out quite a bit, but I've not. I've actually only been out partying 2 nights in 10 days, which is quite good for me. I'm hoping tomorrow night that I can get out. Just going straight along to the end. Oh my goodness, what's all that about? Right down the bay, and that takes you all the way along the French Riviera. I don't know what's happened to the sunshine, and I decided I needed a jacket, as if I need an excuse for that. But of course I was in Mango, my favourite shop. Okay, I'm looking a bit crazy now. I'm going to put my camera away and I'm going to relax and enjoy myself, and I will see you soon. Bye, and thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.